morning, dear students. How are you? Okay, good. Have you done your homework? In previous class, what we discussed? We discussed about the our second chapter. Is it? That is what is our. We discussed the linear equations. Today we are going to start a new lesson. That is what is our chapter, third chapter. That is understand the quadrilateral. Understanding of quadrilateral. Is it? Yes. Is it? That is, we understanding the quadrilaterals. That is, which shapes we have. Which shapes we have. That is, we have many types of quadrilaterals. Is it? That is, we have some shapes in mathematics. Is it? Yes. That is, this is a point. This is called line. This is called triangle. Is it? This is called rectangle or square. And what is this? This is pentagon. Is it? Yes. That is, how many sides have triangle? How many sides? We can name the shape. That is, we put the name ABC. That is, ABC have three sides. AB is one side, BC is one side, AC is one side. That is, three lines are joining. Is it? How many sides have this quadrilateral? This square, that is A, B, C, D. That is how four sides. Is it? Yes. That is, we study some shapes. That is, in your textbook page number 37. In your textbook page number 37, there are some shapes. You can see. Is it? Yes. That is, first they gave a shape. That is, this is a picture, and this is closed symbol closed curve. This is a symbol closed curve. Closed curve. Is it? Yes. And next one is a, this is closed but not symbol. Is it? A closed curve but not symbol. Not symbol. Is it? Yes. And next is what? A circle. Maybe we can call a circle. Is it? Yes. That is symbol but not closed. This is symbol but not closed. Is it? Yes. And next one is a shape. Which type? This is it symbol? No. Is it closed? Is it closed? Yes. That is not a symbol curve. Not a symbol curve. That is, this is symbol closed curve. This is closed but not symbol. This is simple but not closed. This is not a simple curve. Can you understand? Okay, is it clear? And next we are going to study some polygons. Some polygons. Is it? Yes. That is polygons. Is it? That is in your textbook. Curves are that are polygons. Curves that are not polygons. That is two types of pictures are given in your textbook. Some are polygons, some are not polygons. That is and these are the pictures in your textbook. That is, this is a polygon, and this also a polygon, and this is a polygon, and this is not a polygon, and this is also not a polygon, and this is not a polygon. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, this is a polygon, and this is a polygon. This is not a polygon. This is a polygon. This is not a polygon, and this is a polygon, and that is not a polygon. That is the classification. Okay, and in your textbook, classification of the polygons and some names are given in your textbook. Is it? Yes. That is in your page number 38. They gave the shapes and the names. You must copy to your notebook that table. That is page number 38, 3.2.1. That is first column is number of sides of vertices 3. That is A, B, C. Number of vertices is 3. That is triangle. Is it? Number of vertices 4. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Name is what? Quadrilateral. Is it? Yes. And next 5. That is A, B, C, D, E. Pentagon. Is it? Yes, pentagon. Pentagon. And next one is what? 6. That is, we can also draw number of vertices 6. That is it? That is A, B, C, D, E, F. That is hexagon. Hexagon. Is it? Yes. And next is heptagon. When we take 7 vertices, we get hexagon, and 8 is octagon, 9 is pentagon, and 10 is what? Decagon, and n is ennagon. Is it? That is the names of polygons. That is first triangle have 3 vertices, 4 vertices have name is quadrilateral, 5 is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, 7 is heptagon, and 8 is octagon, and 9 is what? 9 is nonagon, and 10 is what? Decagon. Is it? If n sides have polygon, we call n-agon. Is it? Okay. And next we are going to discuss about diagonals. What do you mean by diagonals? That is, diagonal is, I take a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. That is, when we draw a line from A to C, that is a diagonal. That is, we can write AC bar. That is, this is representing AC is a diagonal. And when we draw a line from D to B, we get also another diagonal. Also get another diagonal. Is it? Yes. We can draw more diagonal in this picture. No, it have only two diagonals. Is it? And we have draw diagonal in pentagon. A, B, C, D, E. We can draw the diagonals with the dotted lines. That is C, E, C, E, and next one is B, D, B, D, and next one is A, C, and next one is A, D. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is, we have how many diagonals here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is also we can draw a diagonal B to E. B to E. That is, here is B already connected to A and B already connected to C. So here is direct connection is E and B. So one vertices have two diagonals. Is it? Yes. And in the case of triangle, how any diagonal? No. That is A, B, C, D. That is BD is a diagonal. AC is also a diagonal. And now next we are discussing about exterior and interior portions. Exterior and interior portion. In this, the shaded portion is interior and didn't shading portion is exterior. That is, outer portion is exterior and inner portion is interior, depending to this picture. Okay, that is, this is exterior and this is interior. Is it? Yes. Is it? Is it clear? Yes. And next we are discussing about convex and concave polygons. Convex and concave polygons. That is, convex polygon means these are the convex polygon. And concave polygon is, there is a cave portion. These are convex polygons and these are concave polygons. That is, we can draw these pictures have a concave, that is, a portion is caving portions. That is, these are the concave polygons. Some examples are in your textbook. That is, next is regular and irregular polygons. Regular and irregular polygons. Regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygon means its sides and angles are must be equal. That is, this is a polygon. In this pentagon, sides are equal sides, and also it have equal angles. That is, here is sides are not equal, but angles are equal. That is irregular polygons. That is, for your note in your textbook, page 39 must be explained. So you just read your textbook carefully, and any doubt contact me. And next we are discussing about angle sum properties. Angle sum properties. That is, this is a quadrilateral. We can divide into two triangles. Is it? When we draw a line through A to C, the quadrilateral is dividing into two triangles. Is it? One triangle is triangle ABC, and another one triangle is triangle ADC. Is it? Yes. That is, already we know that what is the sum of angles of a triangle? That is 180 degree. Is it? Sum of a triangle is 180 degree, and one is angle sum is 180, and another one is 180. What is the total angle sum of quadrilateral? That is, we get 360 degree. We get 360 degree. Is it? Yes. And next one is, what is the angle here? Here is 90 and here is 90. That is, angle around a point, that is, it must be 360 degree. It must be 360 degree, and half portion is, here is, we can write. Is it? Yes. That is, in your textbook, do this. There is a portion, do this, and just read, and you can find the answer. Okay. And can we start our exercise 3.1? Are you ready? That is, now we discussed convex polygon, concave polygons, simple curve, simple closed curve, not a simple, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. Is it? Heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Is it? Yes. And some of angles are already discussed. Can we start our exercise 3.1? Okay, that is, exercise 3.1 is, exercise 3.1 is what? First is, given some shapes, some figures, and we want to classify simple curves, simple closed curves, polygons, and convex polygon and concave polygon. That is first question is page number 41. Page number 41. Is it? Yes. That is, we want to draw the figures. One, two, three, and four is four, five, six, sorry, four, three. Here is a 4. Here is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are figures. We want to find numbers. First one is symbol curve. Which are symbol curve? One is a symbol curve. 2 is also a symbol curve. 5 is a symbol curve. 6 is symbol curve, and 7 is also a symbol curve. That is, A is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Is it? Yes. That is, answer of A is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Is it? Second one is what? Simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. That is 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Is it? These are also simple closed curves. First answer is simple curves. Which ones? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Is it? And next question is simple closed curve. That is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And next question is and third part question is C part. What is C part question? Convex, sorry, polygons. Which is are polygons? Is it polygon? Yes. So 1. Is it a polygon? Yes. 2. This is a polygon? No. And this? Yes. No. Not a polygon. These are not polygons. So polygons is 1, 2. And next one is D part, convex polygon. That is, we want to find the convex. Concave means one portion is caving. Is it? This is vex. Convex. That is, answer is 2. D part is 2. And next one is what? That is, next we want to find a regular cone. Here now discuss the convex, and next we want to find the concave. Which polygon is concave? That is 1. That is, answer of E is 1. That is, first one is symbol curve 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and second one is symbol closed curve. That is, the answer of A part is same as, so we can write 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. C part is we want to find the polygons. that is 1, 2, and C part is 1, 2, and D part is we want to find the convex polygon. So the figure is 2 is the convex polygon, and we want to find concave polygon, that is 1. Figure number 1, that is concave, and next one is we want to find how many diagonals of each of the following come. How many diagonals of each of the following, that is for your homework. First you draw a convex quadrilateral. You can draw the convex quadrilateral and you get the number of diagonals. And third also for your homework. And fourth one is we want to discuss, that is fourth one is we get a table, that is just I draw the table. So question number 2 and 3 are for your homework. 2 is we want to find the number of diagonals. So you first draw the shapes, that is first is a convex quadrilateral. You draw a convex quadrilateral, and next a regular hexagon and a triangle. That is simple. You can I think you know you can draw the triangles. So then you can connect the diagonal, then you get the number of diagonals. And also third one is for your homework. 2 and third is homework. And fourth one is we get a table in your textbook, that is this is a table, and here is name and figure and sides and sum. That is we can draw a figure. This is a triangle, is it? Yes. That is sides is 3. That is 190 degree, is it? Yes. This is a quadrilateral. That is we can draw a diagonal. Then how many triangles in this? 1, 2. That is sides is for 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Number of sides is 4. Here is we get 2 triangles, that is 190 plus 180. We get 360. Is it? That is we can write 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. Is it? Yes. Or here 190 plus 180 means 2 into 180. That is which way we get 2? 4 minus 2. That is here. What is the number of triangles? That is 2. And another one is what? A pentagon. Which way we can? That is how many triangles? That is here is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is for more clarification. This is a pentagon. A, B, C, D, E. Is it? Yes. That is here is we get 1 triangle, and also here is 2, here is 3. Here is 3. Is it? Yes. That is 1, 2, 3. That is here is how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is number of sides is 5. Here is 3 triangles, 3 into 180. That is what we can write? That is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Is it? Yes. That is next is hexagon. 1, 2, 4. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is number of sides is 6. That is 4 into 180. 4 into 180 degree. That is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree we get. That is now we have some questions. What do you say about the angle sum a convex polygon with number of sides? Convex polygon with number of sides. That is what? First one is 7. First one is 7. That is answer is we can find that is first one is 7. Number of sides is 7. That is 7 minus 2 into 190 degree. That is first question is a polygon have convex polygon have 7 sides. What is the angle sum? 7 minus 2 into 190 degree. That is 5 into 190 degree. That is 8 into 5 40 0 4 is 1 into 5 5 is it as that is we get 9 that is we add a 0 that is 900 is it as and next one is 8 we part is 8. The convex polygon have 8 sides. What is the sum of angles? That is 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is 6 into 180 degree. That is 180 into 6 0. 8 into 6 48. 8 4 is carried. 6 that is 1080 degree. 1080 degree. And at last C is 10 degree. That is 10 sides. C purpose is 10 sides. 10 sides. That is 10 minus 2 into 190. 8 into 190 degree. That is 190 degree into 8. 0, 64, 6 and 1440 degrees. That is 1440 degrees. 1440 degree. At last, what about in general? What we can say? N side of a convex polygon have or n sides. Convex polygon's angle sum is what? That is n minus 2 into 190 degree. N side. That is n minus 2 into 190 degree. This is the formula for ours. That is what is the sum of angles of a n-sided convex polygon? That is n minus 2 into 180 degree. If n is 4, what we get? 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 360. Is correct. We can apply this general formula in sides. That is here is n is 10. We take 10. N is 10. Then we get here 10 minus 2 into 180 degree, 8 into 180 degree, that is 1440 degree. that is this is the general formula you put in a box. And what is the n side convex polygon angle sum is n minus 2 into 180 degree. And next is what is the regular polygon? What you mean by a regular polygon? That is regular polygon have same angle, same side. That is measures are equal. Is it? Yes. And here if our the name of three sides of a regular polygon called equilateral triangle. Is it? Yes. And next two are for your homework. Name the side 4-sided and 6-sided. And next find the angle measure x in the following figures. We want to find the x in the following figures. That is fifth question, second part, B part and C part. Second and third part are homework. And now we are going to discuss about sixth question. We want to find the x. Here is 50 degree and here is 130 degree and here is 120 degree and here is what? X degree. X degree. What is the x? What is the x? That is here x. What is the number? How many sides have this figure? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is total sum is 360 degree. Which way we get? That is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. We get 2 into 180 degree. That is 360 degree. 360 degree. So we can write 130 degree plus 120 degree plus 50 degree plus x equal to, that is sum is the sum of all angles. That is here is 4 angles. Is it 4 angles? So we take the sum of 4 angles, we get 360 degree. Is it? That is 130 degree plus 120 degree is 250 degree. 250 degree plus 50 degree is 300 degree. That is 300 degree plus x equal to what we get? 360 degree. That is when we adding these, we get 300 degree. We get 300 degree. 300 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. That is what we can write. Next step, x equal to 360 degree minus 300 degree. That is we get 60 degree. We get 60 degree. That means this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And next one is this denoted 90 degree. That is perpendicular and right angle. This is, and here is what? X. Here is 70 degree and here is 60 degree. B part. That is here is 90 degree. So we can write here is also 90 degree. That is in a point 360 degree and is 360 degree and a line like perpendicular line we get 90 and 90. That is one side is 90, so another side is must be 90. So here is 90. That is next we want to find x. That is here is also the angle sum is 360 degree. So we can write 90 plus 70 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus 60 degree plus x equal to 360 degree, and when we adding this we get 20 90 degree plus 70 degree we get 140 degree. For 140 degree plus 60 degree we get 200 degree. Is it? Sorry, we get here is 90 degree plus 70 degree we get 160 degree, and here is 60 degree, that is 220 degree we get. Is it? Yes, that is 90 plus 70 plus 60, that is 0 9 plus 7 60 22 220 degree plus x equal to 360 degree. That is next x equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree, that is we can subtract, that is 140 degree. Is it? 140 degree. Following like this you can find the answers of another two questions, and find following like this. Third part and fourth part is for your homework, and seventh question is also for your homework. And today we are studying about polygons, and some of polygons, and sum of polygon is n minus. If n-sided polygon have n-sided, then n minus 2 into 190 degree is the formula. And we studied convex polygon, concave polygons, simple curve, simple closed curve, and exterior, interior. That's all today we studied. I conclude my class. See you in next class. I wish you a good day. Thank you.